Get excited about the 2021 Volvo XC90. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volvo prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a headlight cleaning system, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.